Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, I'll show you how to add light in Blender in under a minute. First, open your Blender project. Make sure you're in the Layout workspace. To add a light, go to the top menu, click on Add, then hover over Light. You'll see options like Point, Sun, Spot, and Area. Let's choose Point Light for this example. Click on it, and a light will appear in your scene. You can move it around by selecting it and using the G key. To adjust the light's intensity, go to the Light Properties panel on the right. Here you can change the power value to make it brighter or dimmer. Don't forget to check the color option to change the light's hue. Experiment with different settings to see what works best for your scene. And that's it. You've added light to your Blender scene in less than a minute. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips.